Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Workspace for CRM setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button. Enter your business name. Input the number of employees. Select your country. Click Next. Provide your contact information, including your first and last name. Enter a valid email address. Choose a username for your new Google Workspace account. Create a secure password. Click on Agree and Continue. Verify your domain name by selecting Yes, I have one I can use. Enter your domain name in the provided field. Click Continue. Follow the instructions to verify your domain, usually by adding a TXT record in your domain host's DNS settings. Once verified, click Continue. Set up your billing information by selecting a plan that suits your needs. Fill in your payment details. Confirm your payment method and click Submit. Next, create user accounts if needed by adding employees' names and emails. Review your account settings and click Continue. Follow the prompts to customize your workspace, including adding additional apps. Set up email migration if you're moving from another service. Once everything is configured, sign in to your new Google Workspace account. Familiarize yourself with the Google Workspace dashboard. Explore the various applications like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar for your CRM setup. Time to start organizing your customer relationship management strategies effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.